If you like venison, mushrooms, and gravy, then this is your video. Rinse off some venison stew meat, pour some Worcestershire along with a heaping teaspoon of garlic into a bowl, and then you're going to add your chunks right to that liquid. Give it a nice stir to coat everything up, cover it with some plastic wrap, and pop it in your fridge for at least half an hour. I decided to do some roasted potatoes, and just like that, they chop themselves. I am just that good. The question is, will the onion do the same? No, it won't. In this bowl are 6 potatoes, a whole onion, some oil, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. You can add other seasonings too if you want. Add some herbs if you want to. Then throw it in a 400-degree oven for about half an hour. Add some flour to a bowl. I did about 3/4 of a cup, along with some garlic powder, some pepper, salt, and then your chopped up even smaller venison pieces. When you do this, you're going to get a nice white haze that appears. Don't breathe in. It's kind of nasty. Heat some oil in a pan. I used canola oil in my cast iron pan, and I cooked each side for a minute or two. Don't overcook them, and definitely do not crowd them in the pan. Once the meat's done, add half an onion and a can of chopped up mushrooms. No liquid yet. Salt, pepper, and then you're going to stir that and let it cook down a bit. Add some wort, and then you're going to add that mushroom water that you saved from the can. I definitely did a brown gravy faux pas. I should have mixed it with liquid before I added it to my stuff. So do it differently for yourself. Add some water to thin out the gravy. Don't use beef broth. And then pop some cream in and stir it all up. Now it's time to add your venison bits to your gravy. That's my kiddo. She just came home from school. Add some dry rosemary to give it a little bit of herbiness. Add a bit more water until it's the right consistency. Let it simmer, and then supper is served.